In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted invoices in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to the Reports menu up top, you want to hover over Accountant and Taxes, and over here towards the middle, you want to click on Audit Trail. Then when you do that, you want to go to the top left and click on Customize Report. Then you want to switch to filters, and in here you want to go and search for the filter called transaction type. So I'm going to go and find it right now. You can also search for it up top. It's over here under T's, transaction type. Then click on this all over here to actually open the drop down menu, and then from here you want to click on invoice. Now after you've done that, of course, you can go ahead and basically click on the OK button over here, and then you can also of course select the dates up top to actually kind of select the date in the filters list and choose the date range around the time the invoice was either created or deleted. Okay, then hit the OK button, and then in here you can just basically look for your invoice in the list, and then of course there's going to be like a state or status or whatever, and in here you'll be able to see if it was deleted. Okay, so for example, if I type in deleted, let's see if any pop up. Yeah, there we go, state deleted. Some of them are going to pop up just like this, and you can look at them like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.